I put the finishing touches on the discoversaipan.com website. I'm coming across some old videos. This is one of the first tour clients I had back in 2008. They were students studying Shintoism in Japan, and when they discovered there were Shinto shrines on Saipan and Tinian, they booked a flight from Japan to have me give them a tour of Shinto shrines, and this is a little demonstration.
So this is Hachiman Shrine.
Okay.
For the god Hachiman. And to pray at this shrine, you would walk up the side of the stairs and not in the middle, because this is where the gods would come through. So you walk on the side.
Okay.
So I don't think there's a bell anymore.
No, there's no bell.
If there was a bell, you would ring the bell, clap 2 times, bow, clap 1 time, and you would throw money into a money box, but there's no money box anymore. So that is how you pray at a Shinto shrine.
It was so long ago that I've lost touch with them, and I don't have any records anymore of what their names were. So if you know who they are, let me know and I'll add their names to the credits.
These gates that are in the shrine, the more money people have been donating to it, because they use the money to build the shrine. Oh yeah, this was the donors.
No, this is a month.
So it would be the name of the person who donated money and when the shrine was built.
Sangatsu, March. Wait.
Showa Gojurokunen. So the 56th year of Showa. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember either.
It was done in March though.
Oh, you're right. So you know why you can't see any inscription? It would be on the side on the floor.
Okay.
Well, it's well preserved then if you roll it over.
That's true. You would be able to read it if you rolled it over.
One of the unique things about Saipan and Tinian that you'll find is true even today as well, as it was in 2008, is that there are sites as well as people's homes and backyards where you'll find relics and remnants of the Battle of Saipan, the Battle of Tinian, that are left in view, and even at some of the sites they're not touched, they're left right in place with respect by visitors over the years.
Really? You're kidding me.
You would know a lot more about that.
Tell me
than
the
I would.
significance.
Well, it's a 105 millimeter shell. I don't know whose it is. Could be Japanese or it could be American. That's a K-bar knife.
Okay.
That's a Marine issued Marine knife from the Marines in World War II. So that's actually pretty common.
Wow.
That's really
Sewing
interesting.
machine.
A canteen.